Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you. The attention of the management of Perez Medcare Hospital has been drawn to the misleading and false information being circulated in some social media platform that Mr. Ilerioluwa Oladimiji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, died in our medical facility. We consider it pertinent to put a record that about 4:30 p.m. on the 12th of September 2023, the lifeless body of Mr. Ilerioluwa Oladimiji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, was brought to our medical facility, and our medical team immediately sprang into action, and after assessment, it was discovered that there was no sign of life. No central or peripheral pulse, no heartbeat, no recordable vital sign, and his pupils were fixed and dilated. On attempting CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, rigor mortis, stiffening of some part of the body in relation to the death, was observed, and the person who brought him to our facility were informed that it was a case of PID, brought in dead. Upon inquiry about the circumstances leading to the emergency, our team was informed that the deceased was being treated at home by a nurse, and that's administered injection on him. Our team thereafter advised the body be taken to the nearest government hospital where it can be deposited in the mortuary. Let it be known that Mr. Ilerioluwa Oladimiji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, was patiently of Perez Medcare Hospital and was never admitted at our hospital at any material that whatsoever. Also, the nurse who was said to be administering treatment on him at home is not a staff of Perez Medical Hospital. And the video of the medical facilities circulating in media space in which of the late Ilerioluwa Oladimiji Aloba is seen alive and receiving treatment, it is not Perez Medical Hospital. We compelled to issue this statement to set the record straight and correct the wrong and false information being circulated about Perez Medical Hospital. We urge everyone to desist from spreading false information and be mindful of the sensitivity of the matter. While we express our condolences to the family and the friends of the deceased, Mr. Ilerioluwa Oladimiji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, we also lend our voice to the call for true investigation into the circumstances of his sudden death. Thank you. Èyí ni ìròyìn tó jáde láti ilé ìwòsàn tí wọ́n gbé olóògbé Mohbad Aloba lọ kó tó di pé ó jáde láyé. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ilé ìwòsàn yìí ṣe sọ, wọ́n ní òkú rẹ̀ ló gbé wá sí ilé ìwòsàn àwọn, kì í ṣe alààyè. Pé èyí tí wọ́n ń sọ lórí afẹ́fẹ́ lórí ayélujára pé alààyè ló gbé wá síbẹ̀ pé irọ́ ni, pé òkú rẹ̀ ló dé ilé ìwòsàn ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn, kì í ṣe alààyè. A máa fi àsìkò yìí bẹ àwọn ìjọba wa kí wọ́n gbé ìgbésẹ̀, torí arákùnrin kan jáde, mo máa fi fọ́nrán yẹn wọ̀nyí, tó ti jáde tó ní ìgbà tí wọ́n gbé Mohbad wá sí ilé ìwòsàn, òun àti rẹ̀ jọ ya fọ́tò kó tó di pé wọ́n gbé wọlé. Kò pẹ́ náà ni ìkànnú àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì ló jáde wá bá wọn pé ló sọ sóhun létí pé wọ́n fún Mohbad ní abẹ́rẹ́ bó ti jáde láyé. Oríṣiríṣi atótónu ló ń jáde lórí afẹ́fẹ́, àmọ́ kí Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè kó bá wa tan ìmọ́lẹ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, kó dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ojú àṣegbé kó hàn. Bí inú ìjù báyìí lọ, ẹ máa bá wa kálọ. Ó dìgbà kan náà.
Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad.
How you taking it? Ah.
Justice for Mohbad. No one else again. Waiting be this one like this. I don't see. Bring too many things. Down the bag on my seat. Yeah, out of Somalia.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.